Hey friends, my name is Chand and I warmly welcome you all in this course on Spring's framework. Now first thing first, why Spring? Spring is world's most popular Java framework as of now. And friends, Spring is huge, and if I navigate to this projects tab, spring.io/project, you can also see this particular main projects page, and we have many things which is ongoing in Spring's community, and the way the Spring's framework is growing is incredible. Now for matter of fact, if you all are willing to make your careers in IT industry and that too in Spring's community, then it's a good decision. If you all know Spring's framework and can develop software using Spring, then there is always tons of job available for you, and IT jobs pays good and definitely money matters, and this can give you a very sustainable and good career option if you guys are like learning Spring frameworks, which is fantastic decision. Now moving forward, I would also recommend you guys to check out the available jobs for Spring framework developer, and you will definitely find many jobs which are available as a Spring developer. Apart from that, I would also recommend you guys to check this particular page, spring.io, which is official website of Spring framework/projects, and you will also able to see that how scalable Spring is and how many projects are simultaneously going. Spring community is very active, and the updates and new projects are very frequent, which is again a good thing. I can also show you the repository of Spring framework, and you guys can see that there are plenty of releases are available in here, and by the time you would be watching this particular video, there might be yet another release in this particular URL. Spring is a very fast going project. Alright, so this is all about Spring. Now let's talk about this particular course. Now friends, Spring framework is little complicated when compared to some other framework, for example JSF. But in order to make things simple for you, we have put in a lot of effort, and we have tried to cover almost everything which you require to get started with Spring framework. Now friends, apart from this process of creating and putting a lot of effort in order to create a wonderful course, we have taken couple of extra steps as well. As soon as I used to record these videos, we used to also share these videos with industry experts and couple of students, and they used to review the videos and also given us the feedback. Using those feedback, we used to improve the course creation process, and eventually a higher quality, better videos were developed. With this particular process, we have tried hard to make this particular course a wonderful course and also a easy to understand course. And we believe that our hard work will definitely pay off, and you out there will able to understand this wonderful framework with ease. Thanks for watching.